everyone, my name is Valerie P5 Bg, but you can call me Valerie for short. And I am from Primary 5 Bg. And today, I will be telling you guys a story of the foolish blackbirds. Have you read about the foolish blackbirds? If not, let's read this together. Sit back, relax, and most importantly, enjoy. The Foolish Blackbirds, illustrated by Saul Daru. Tim and Tom are two hungry blackbirds. They are very desperate for food. They fly everywhere they could go. Suddenly, they see a piece of delicious-looking cake on the ground. They quickly fly down to the surface where the cake was found. This is my cake! I have been looking for food for hours, says Tim. No, it is mine. I saw this cake first, and I have been desperately looking for food to eat for so long, says Tom. The two blackbirds quarrel over the cake. Mick Monkey passes by. He hears the birds fighting. He sees the cake. The cake looks very delicious, said Mick Monkey to himself. He wants to eat the cake too. He thought of a plan. Mick goes up to Tim and Tom. Why are you two quarreling? He asked, pretending to look concerned. Tim and Tom tell him what happened. Mick pretends to think hard. Well, there's only one way to stop both of you from quarreling, says Mick. He breaks the delicious-looking cake into two pieces. He holds a piece in each hand. The piece of cake in his right hand is bigger. The piece of cake in his left hand is smaller. Oh dear, says Mick. These pieces are not the same size. What should I do? He eats a bit of the delicious-looking cake in his right hand, now making the piece in his left hand a little bigger. Mick Monkey eats a bit from the cake in his left hand. Now, the piece in his right hand is bigger. He continues eating from both pieces. Soon, there is only one small piece of cake left. Tim and Tom look at Mick unpleasantly. Give us that last piece of cake, says Tim and Tom, looking hungrily at the small, delicious-looking piece of cake. Mick shakes his head. He eats the last piece of cake as well. Then he says, That is for helping you both stop the quarrel. Next time, don't quarrel over small things. Then he runs off, leaving Tim and Tom both feeling foolish and very hungry. After walking away, Mick Monkey decided to come back. He felt guilty and foolish for eating the whole cake on his own. Soon, he climbed up a tree and plucked out a banana. Then, he went back to the hungry blackbirds. Mick Monkey gave the banana to the hungry blackbirds as he told them to not quarrel over it and told them to share the banana together. A lesson to be learned. It is better to share and not quarrel over small things. The end. Thank you very much for listening to the story. See you next time and have an amazing day.